YouTube channel.
ya ida, kama unajua gari iko na makosa usipite area ya nini roundabout ya Chiromo. Avoid hiyo sasa tena. Kama mimi wakinipata sitakosa makosa. Ni makosa gani? Gari ijaandikwa hii kilo.
Lakini wanasumbua sana. Hey guys, so I've just gotten back to school right now, and could you believe guys, like my flowers are still thriving. Like niliachia bed fungo like for her to take care of them for me while I was gone, and ziko sawa, like they're not dead yet. Like I'm so happy. Yeah, let me show you guys. I've also made some coffee. I want to have it with some biscuits because the cold, it's so chilly guys. Nime freeze, but yeah, nimefika. Yeah, like what? These flowers are so healthy, lakini, because what do you mean? It's been a week. Here's my coffee and my biscuit. Yeah, today I had the most talkative Uber driver, and I don't take Ubers to school, but today we were dropped off somewhere because the matatus didn't wanna pass like your place because there was a police check. So tumefika mahali and they don't wanna pass, like kila mtu anashukishwa. Tumerudishwa 20 shillings. Ujipange, like mse shuka like, and it's raining like yo, so that's why I had to take an Uber like kutoka hiyo place, hata si mbali. He was telling me how he likes the rainy season because so many people use cabs during the rainy season, which is okay. And yeah, and then we were also conversing about how the police nowadays are just looking for silly mistakes so that you can, kutoa kitu. And hey guys, so I was just doing my assignment and I've completed it, so nimebakisha tu kusubmit. So I want to show you guys a few necklaces. Okay, just 2 necklaces that I got finally. Like I've stayed for so long without a necklace after my other one itokane. So yeah, let me start. Which one do I start with? Zote ni my favorite, like I like both of them. So okay, let me just start with the one I'll start with because I can't seem to choose. So this is the first one. How pretty. And the second one is this one. I think I love this one so much. Like it's so simple and cute. And yeah, nimekuwa actually nikitafuta kama hii, but like I always see color green and all sorts of other colors that I wouldn't wear. But yeah, finally I got a black one, which is obviously my type, so I'm gonna wear it. The last class of that unit. The first two are going. There you go. Credit? 27. Hey guys, so I've just gotten back to my room. Tulikuwa at the last class of that unit, like no more classes. I'm so excited. Yeah, so I did a bit of restocking because like a few of my things zilikuwa zimeisha. So let's unbox with you guys. Iko wapi? Oh yeah, iko kwa bag. So I added some tissues and then sanitary towels and check. Okay, this one wasn't on the budget guys, but it was on offer, like the 6 of these for 99 shillings, like yo. And I love cupcakes so much, so zikiwa on offer I have to get them. And then akia kuna kitu ni stress kama sukari kiisha, cause yo sugar is expensive, but I added a kg of sugar cause imeisha. And yeah, also what else? I had something else. I passed by the chemist and bought some painkillers for that time of the month, cause like yo, the last time zilinipata off guard and then I had no painkillers, and let me tell you guys, I suffered so bad. So this time I'm like, you know what, acha tu nijipange. I know it's weeks away, but I had to get painkillers. So I normally use Ponstan painkillers. So yeah, so that's all guys. And then if the weather allows, at around 4 I'm going to Koja to thrift for some jeans. Like I need new jeans. And yeah, tunaenda na beshte yangu Levi, because each time I go to Koja alone I end up being conned. Like the number of times I've been scammed when it comes to sizes. Like sijui inakanga kunitoshea. Like when they ask you what's your waist, what's your hip size, whatever, and then they measure, it's intact. Let me come and try on the clothes guys. Like yo nakonga tu nimegongwa. So today I'm carrying a friend of mine along with me. She's the real plug guys. Like she knows where to get good tops. She's the one who plugged me to the tops area in Koja also. Like her style, that's why I want to go with her, because her style is epic. So yeah, but I won't be vlogging in Koja because guys, let me tell you, my first phone in first year ilibiwa Koja. So like izo areas za Koja. So right now, because I'm just going to shop and nikutafuta, I won't vlog, but I just carry my tiny phone for payment purposes. But I'll just show you the jeans that I'll get once I'm back, because yo, I can't even afford to risk.
We are going to check out to
so it's way later, it's around 7. Tumetoka Koja, and let me tell you, this is the first time that I'm literally buying something that I feel it's worth my money. Like you all need a Levi in your life, honestly. That's all I can say, because yo, today I've managed to get very good jeans, very nice trousers. Here they are. My budget was 2,000 and I got 3 trousers. Quality trousers guys, quality. Let me show you guys. So the first one is this whitish ama creamish jeans. Look at that, and it's so nice, like naina fit so, but it's so quality and it's so nice, but nitaenda kushikiwa kidogo tu, like kidogo tu kwa waist, like kidogo tu. I want to show you guys my favorite one, the last one. So there's this other one. This one is so nice and it's so long. I promise guys, it looks so nice on me. I've tried it on. So by the unajua ubaya kwa creator, like people see the clothes you've bought. Guys, when you see me with these clothes outside there, assume it's the first time you've seen me in them. Cause please. And then it's a cargo, like white. This one is so nice. Like guys, sijaikuwa na cargo pants, like white na zinanikalia fiti. Like I look so nice in them. So yeah, that's the whole. I'm impressed, I'm satisfied, I'm content. Like wow guys, unafaa tuende na mtu anajua kubagain. Cause na ukae ngumu. Like that's all I can say. Thank you guys for watching.